Hello students, today we'll learn the vocabulary of birds and animals in French in very easy and accessible way. So, starting with lesson 6 of book French for kids 1 is
Les animaux et les oiseaux.
means animals and birds. In this lesson we'll learn animals and birds names in French with the help of image of each living being.
Alors commençons.
Means let's begin. So, starting with the first page here, you can see there are images of animals and birds. So, let's start. I'll pronounce every name 2 times. Listen carefully and try to understand. It is,
Pain. Pain.
which is peacock in English. It is,
Coq. Coq.
which is cock in English. It is,
Éléphant. Éléphant.
which is elephant in English. It is,
Chien. Chien.
which is dog in English. It is,
Chat. Chat.
which is cat in English. It is,
Lion. Lion.
which is lion in English. It is,
Rat. Rat.
which is rat in English. I hope you must have understood all the sounds and names of animals and birds. Now moving to the exercise part.
À vous.
Here the question is, find out the names of the animals and birds that we have learned. On this page you can see there is a word search puzzle, and here you have to search and mark the names of birds and animals that you have learnt in the lesson. I hope you must have enjoyed a lot learning French animals and birds vocabulary in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.